what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us here with the manual BMW M6 Grand Coupe, and Project Gamma was nice enough to send out the front mount intakes to install on the car. See right there, you see the nice branding, got the turbo symbol in there. So if you guys aren't familiar with what front mount intakes do, we're pretty much replacing the stock intakes on this V8 twin turbo motor. And instead of the intakes being right here, they're gonna feed through the front grille and they're gonna sit right here. All the air is gonna get shoved straight into the engine, producing more power on the car. Not only does it bring in more air, but it brings in cold air as opposed to the engine bay. And on my G82, it adds about 20 horsepower, so it's gonna be interesting to see how much power it adds to this car. And from 60 to 130 miles per hour, it'll take off a half second from the time. So it should be faster, but aside from speed and power, my favorite part about the front mount intakes is the sound that you guys are gonna hear from that V8 twin turbo. Instead of having all the turbo sounds stuck in the engine bay, they're gonna be being pushed out the front of the car. We opted for the black piping with the blue intake in the front, but you can opt for different colors, kind of customize it to your liking. And I think that's gonna look really good with the spec, considering the brakes themselves behind the Rahana wheels are blue as well. But then on top of that, we also have some charge pipes from Project Gamma as well. Since we are tuned and this car has more power than stock, it's basically a safety measure, making the car more durable. Plastic charge pipes are known for cracking, since, like I said, they are plastic, and we want something that's more durable in here as well. So we got front mount intakes, charge pipes, and yeah, we're gonna get started right away, get these things installed, and hear what it sounds like. Get started, we obviously have to remove the stock intakes, but then also to feed the front mounts, we're gonna have to remove these grills as well. Some cars, some M cars, you gotta take the whole bumper off, or you have to trim, but good thing about the M6s, you shouldn't have to do any of that. Here, so. That was so close.
That's close. But you
should I pull this corner out?
One of these three or something to help guide it, right?
Yeah. So I got one grill out. Clips seem to be good, yeah. Ooh. Whew. The grills are out. Not an easy task, but now that gives us access. I believe he said you could use a flathead or something, but yeah, you can just pull that out. That's one of the intakes off. Cool. There's another box out. There we go. Yeah, so I'll be the guy that does that. Yep, keep pushing through. I got it clamped. There we go. Keep pushing.
Oh, for sure.
Oh,
yeah.
Top half's in. Oh, is that in? I think so. The whole tip is in.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's just a matter of, this is where that lubricant would be clutch.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm out, man. I'm tripping.
You may have to regroup, man.
Well, it was sitting flush, right?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
You need help from Ty. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Go for it.
And yeah, your hand's ashy, man.
Yeah, let me get that on. Yeah.
Want some work in here. Get it?
Yep.
Good boy. How you
Flush.
feeling? How you feeling?
That's what I'm talking about.
How you feeling?
Whooped. It ain't done yet. Now I gotta
bring-
put the front end back.
How you feeling?
Had to bring the uppercase S out.
How you feeling?
Feeling good, man. Intakes are in. As you can see, we still gotta get it cleaned up. But you can see them down here. Look how good that looks. The flashlight down there too. We got the Gamma, where Gamma sitting top side.
How's it look from the front? How the filters look even?
We ain't ready for this, man. It's about to sound crazy.
We gotta go on the drive, right? His back call coming in. His back coming in. Like, yeah, you don't have to rest after this. You don't have to take a shower and rest. His ashy. Man, ashy hands. Dad got the white hands.
Yeah, this with one person, insane. Ain't no way.
Yeah, that be angle of that. It's like,
If only they came out that easy. Oh, that looks sick. Oh my gosh. Everything's all tightened up. We got a better fitment here. We had to run to the store and get some different clamps. That's why these look a little different than these, and they're kind of hanging up a bit. But aside from that, everything's all tightened up. There's that lie. Time to take it for a drive. That sounds absolutely insane. We're gonna try and get some more sounds. We're gonna hop in the M6. The fact that we have a 6-speed manual transmission inside of a 4-door V8 twin turbo car, we're pushing probably around 750 plus to the wheels. So that's well over 800 crank horsepower, probably closer to 9. Especially with all the insulation that BMW puts in the M5s and the M6s, we're not going to hear it as much as we do in the G82 from the inside. We're going to have to set you guys up on the outside and see what kind of sounds we can create with this engine. all this leather. You even got leather on the headliner, Alcantara headliner as well. It's just staggering. Everything looks nice, tucked away. Those Project Gamma intakes look amazing in the blue. Matches the rest of the scheme on the car. Next thing is we probably got to clean this thing up, get all these fingerprints and stuff off. Me and my dad's hands are all scratched and numb, but you can really see this car is coming together very nicely. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. And lastly, huge shout out to Project Gamma for sending out their front mount intakes and their charge pipes for today's video. All links in the description if you guys are interested in making your BMW M6 or M5 F10s more reliable, but also sounding much better and getting more power with the front mount intakes. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.